grab the keys out the box. Not going very far, am I? Right guys, RX-5 turbo test drive time. Neil normally gets the privilege of this, but today I am the lucky recipient of this driver's seat. So stats, talk numbers. 600 kilo car, just barely under, as it sits at the moment. It's got a few padded extras. And it made 376 on the dyno, but we have turned it down. We're running, our goal was 300, we've run 308 at the moment, horsepower and about 278 foot-pound of torque. Peak torque was 320. But again, we're trying to keep it reliable-ish, if we can. Running what it is, GT2860 RS turbo on it, low-mounted manifold, injectors have been done, forged bottom end, as you know, adjustable cam sprockets and things like that, all dialed in. Standard Mazda running gear on it pretty much as well, 5-speed box, 4.1 diff, 15-inch wheels with Toyota 888s on there, so it's got some nice front grip on it. We put the screen and the comfort pack on it really. So, and what we're going to do is see what it makes in terms of noise and how it feels, which is, I mean, just that alone. You may not be able to hear it as well as I can, but this thing is amazing. Just the sound alone is ridiculous. If it ain't intoxicating enough, now on the road it drives really civilised. Everything's in the right place it needs to be in terms of indicators and everything else and all the gear that needs to be around it. But you drop it down a cog or two and we'll let it sort of boil up a bit and give it some that's what it does. It's just bonkers. It's so much run, so much horsepower and torque. You don't even have to drive it fast. It's absolutely crazy how fast it goes. It's amazing. The guys in front of us are just going to drop it down a cog or two. Watch. Effortless, that's what that is. And with the screen here, do you know, it's actually bordering on civilised. Now, I'm an aero screen man. Neil might be converting me to just a screen on its own, which is what I find amazing. A screen on its own with outdoors, I actually think it's probably the perfect combination really, but you bury this thing and it's that popping and banging. It's addictive. All you want to do is launch it and just let it on the overrun, spitting the fuel in there and ignite it. Big old flames hopefully coming out the side. But yeah, driving positions, bang on, pedal box where it needs to be, good visibility, nice swayed steering wheel, grips really well. If you get round the roundabouts and stuff and up to braking. But the good thing about it is, this thing will sit 78 mile an hour and cruise all day long. The only thing that you ain't going to pass is a petrol station. It's a bit thirsty with all that boost, I'm not going to lie. She's a bit thirsty. But we'll get it up to sort of normal walk speeds and give it a little bit of a... Who wouldn't like that? Who wouldn't like that? You know? Incredible. We're at the 70 mile an hour now, cruising along. You probably can't hear me very well at 70 mile an hour with the wind, but it just sits here and cruises. And that's the difference. Temperatures are all good. Water 85, oil temperature 77, good oil pressure, boost gauge, got an air fuel ratio meter there as well. So yeah, dry comfortable day like this just does it all. It ticks so many boxes, and I'm a bike engine fan, big bike engine fan, but I've got to say it's just so easy to drive and you can put it anywhere, and the power that goes with it, it's amazing. Just the power and the torque to put the car wherever you want it to be, that simplifies it. It just makes it drivable. It's amazing what it can do. Cruising speeds, 40 mile an hour. Now I ain't got no hair to worry about like Neil, so it don't bother me. But you don't get a huge amount of buffeting here now at these sort of speeds, cruising around the low speeds. And that's what I like. I think just having this bit here, a little bit of a more comfort back to it. Seat pads in here, we've got our diamond stitch seat pads, adds a little bit more comfort. I've softened the dampers down actually a little bit on this, making it more of a road car. Plenty of grip. I just think all-round package. I could get in this, blast around the A and B roads, or I could cruise it down if you wanted to, down to the coast, fish and chip run. Wow, you know, what a toy. What a toy. I like the stock car because it's easy drivable. You put a turbo on it, whole new ball game. Whole new ball game.
Wave, Simon.
It's very much MX-5 then. Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah. So when I spoke to Neil and spec this, he said, "Are you going to go with the K20?" And I went, "Yes." He said, "Right, 3-inch wide seat belts, wildwood brakes. Right, what else do you want?" Now I understand why. Yeah.
It's like woof, isn't it?
Yeah, it's brilliant feeling though. But yeah.
Marks out of 10 for that?
11 at least. That was great fun. Oh god, yeah.
We go.
Right, test drive. Mark 2.
Okay. Oh my word, I love it already. Stop this now. Oh my goodness.